As a parent, you have many rights in the IEP process. First of all, you have the right to a notice of your rights in your language. What good are rights if you don't know what they are? You also have the right to the district responding to your written request. They must respond within 20 days of any written request they receive from you. And you also have 15 days to consider any proposal that they would like to move forward with. You also have a right to have the district provide you with a written description of what they are proposing to do or why they don't want to implement a proposal from you, and a description of why they either want to implement their recommendations or do not want to implement what you are asking for. In that notice, they also must tell you what your rights are if you disagree with their decision. You have the right to have an IEP meeting at your request, and that meeting must be conducted in your language. You have the right to get advance written notice of any meeting that the district would like to call. You have the right to bring anyone to that meeting that you would like: a friend, a relative, an advocate, a lawyer, someone else who works with your child in another situation, the Cub Scout leader, the Girl Scout leader, the minister, even friends of your child, the coach of the Little League team. You have the right to get information in advance of the meeting that you will need to be an effective partner in the meeting decisions. You have the right to access your child's records at any time. You have to give the district a reasonable amount of time to make those records available to you. You have the right to have copies of those records. And if you can't afford to pay for them, then you have a right to get them without charge. You have the right to see your child's records at any time, and if you feel that there's something in those records with which you do not agree, you have the right to ask that that part of the records be changed. And if the school won't agree, you have a right to a hearing to determine whether or not the records will be changed. Even if the hearing determines that the records won't be changed, then you have the right to add information to the record that says why you disagree with that information. The IEP process is designed so that you can be an effective partner with the rest of the team in making decisions. But in any important relationship, there are going to be disagreements. So if you disagree with the team, then you do have formal dispute resolution rights: mediation, an impartial hearing, a complaint investigation. And you can find out more information about these formal dispute resolution mechanisms by going to the SPAN website and listening to our mini video on dispute resolution. At the Statewide Parent Advocacy Network, we think that you as the parent are the most important member of the IEP team. You know your child the best, you have the greatest interest in ensuring that your child's needs are met, and you have a lifelong commitment to your child. If you take advantage of the information that we can provide through our website, our mini videos, our in-person trainings, and our very experienced technical assistance specialists, then you can learn the knowledge and skills that it will take to make sure that your child can not only survive, but thrive.